Hey everyone, so today I'm heading to Washington DC, and for this trip I'm staying at Days Inn by Wyndham Washington DC, Connecticut Avenue. So I've finally arrived at the hotel. They do have parking available, which is definitely a plus if you're traveling by car. Moving on to check-in, the process was quite smooth and quick. The staff was polite and helpful, so the first impression was pretty decent. Now let's check out the room. The room is clean and has all the basic things you need: a comfortable bed, a clean bathroom, and a simple setup. But to be very honest, it does feel a bit outdated. The space is okay, not too big, not too small, just average. Also, don't expect luxury here, it's very basic. One thing I really liked is the location. It's quite convenient, especially if you want to explore Washington, DC. If you're on a budget and only need a simple place, it's fine. But if you're looking for comfort or a more premium experience, this might not be the best choice. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.